about this right now?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's put aside for the minute that you are terrible at your job and have no skills, okay? And let's ignore the fact that Hondo Ohnaka could hire anyone of the hundreds of applicants all around us to replace you.
Got it.
But even if we forget all of that, you want to know if you could run the whole place yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, well, in all the cycles I've been here, the only one Hondo Ohnaka has ever run is Hondo Ohnaka. Is your name Hondo Ohnaka?
No.
Then get back to work.
Oh my goodness, the queue is amazing.
I'm so excited about it. I have this Disney World.
Wow, look at all those switchbacks. Oh, look at the baby. Look at, there's a random baby.
Oh, there we go. Oh, down we go.
Wow.
Look
Look at that.
This is not your head.
Here's the doorway to go in. It's so daunting. I'm going over people's heads so I don't get them in my video.
I've got an inventory problem here. This is Molotov. What's the problem? According to the manifest, Tolerant Trading is worth 800 barrels of oxidizer foam. Well, I am for 2. Would anyone need that much oxidizer foam? It's a mystery. But I think I'm going to open one of the barrels. Don't open the barrel. I think I should open it. Do not open it. It doesn't feel like foam. Like it rattles. Don't open it, Garth. Tell me. Just get back to it. It's not oxidizer foam. There's something that I'm not exactly entirely told.
Hello, this is Hondo Ohnaka, and I couldn't tell over here because you are on the comm system and everyone can hear you.
This is an oxidizer foam in these barrels. It's saying oxidizer foam is actually...
You must be mistaken, my friend. Shipping contraband disguised as innocent oxidizer foam would be smuggling, and we are not smugglers. No, indeed. We are a completely legitimate shipping company. Yes, perhaps you should spend less time opening barrels and more time shipping them, my friend.
Yes, sir.
I'm yawning because I've been up really early to get here. I'm normally not a rope droppy, morning-y kind of person. It's so cool in here. Going up this ramp here.
I think what I'm going to do is right after I get off,
You go up onto these cool platforms here. The line goes up.
This shipment has to go out today, and I need my hydro scanner. Warning you, Walter. Never mind.
So here's more queue. There's so many switchbacks for this. Okay, now we're getting around to the back of this. Now we're right up close.
Well, obviously they're doing something, so that's... Well, you know, they're fixing it. Well, I can't. I mean, it's not... Look, you're gonna have to take that up with Hondo, wherever he is. I mean, try the cargo bay, maybe? Yes?
Alright, we're going inside another place. Alright, we're going in this dark tunnel.
Let's put the nav computer through its paces.
Alright, we're coming out the hallway into a sunny, windowy, and the top of the Falcon. Oh my gosh. This is the coolest thing ever. The entire time we've been here, I've just been like catching my breath because it's so beyond anything I could have imagined. You can see Big Thunder right there.
That's because you remember.
You can see the stormtroopers wandering. Oh, they went past. Ah, darn it. I missed them. I love the trash cans. Okay, we're finally going in the room. I want to be the gunner because I want to blow stuff up.
I do hate when they do it. Please put all the available space. I don't want that person leaving me. Like, no.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Ship them. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this, this is the group I've been waiting for, yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor. I believe you have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later. I have to do everything around there. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. For some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As I agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What the? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go, 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 go. Wanted to watch our father. I will never send them any these days.
I got Gunner, and that's what I wanted.
Okay, so pilots, the longer you guys can control it, the longer our ride will be. Okay, if you crash right away, our ride is over. Heads up.
Come on in.
I didn't break it, so I can't do that.
Take a look around. Don't worry about breaking it.
Hashtag breaking it.
I think they have like a run.
So we're in Spain. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I wanted Gunner and I got Gunner. I got Gunner. I got Gunner. Oh my gosh, there's like a cool table in there. Okay, that's the table that we keep seeing pictures. The few promo photos. This.
You think like you got it, and then when you go in there, you're like, no, I don't got it. And so if I screw up and maybe go down, you don't. No, I think you kind of Mario Kart back into the world, I think. Something like that. Bad version of that side. We have engineers to fix it. Yeah.
So we rode the Millennium Falcon and it was the most fantastic ride I have ever been on in my life. And this is the exit corridor and oh my gosh, it is just so fun. You gotta go down some stairs. Okay, I'm going down the stairs. I'm taking you out the exit. Going down the stairs, I'm having my video. Oh, what a fantastic experience. What an amazing, oh my gosh. And we are out. And it was so good.